Not bad. Another day is another day to make money. It's currently 9:04. Just got my first order, and I also have one queued up for Walmart at 10:45, I believe. But this first order is, what is it? It's 13 items. Should only take me about 10 minutes or so. But let's get to it.
Just make sure nobody's coming like that. Let's get to the store.
Alright, so we're going to go to the app. Pardon me. Go to batch. We've got 13 items for Betsy. She's getting asparagus, onion, zucchini, cat litter. Oh, chopped garlic, okay. Biscuits, blah, blah, blah. All super easy. So this, and these are pretty much in the same area, so this shouldn't be too hard.
Any customers watching this, just know that it's next to impossible to get a half pound of asparagus. Only wear face covering, you know, if that's easier. Alright. Alright, move on.
Hot dog, did I get lucky? Just dropped off an order. Well, just dropped off the order that I was working on. Immediately got a ping for, what was it? $59 payout for 32 items. That's incredible. So, on my way back now to go take care of that. It shouldn't take me more than an hour because there is 80 units, but 80 units for 32 items isn't, I don't think it's too bad. Yeah, I'll definitely be able to hit $100 before I head up to Reading tonight. So, hooray. Not bad. Little talkie now. I gotta wait for everybody to go by. So that's why I kind of don't like doing Walmart orders. I do, but I don't. Payout's good. Then it gets even better if the customer actually tips you. But I was there for at least 35, 40 minutes waiting for a regular order and an express order. So right now I got the express order delivered because it was stone's throw away from the store. Now I'm on my way to go deliver the regular order. I think I'm at like 97 bucks already for the day. It's only 11:42. It's not too bad. Might be able to take a break between working in town and heading up to Reading in a little bit. Big goal today is 200 bucks. And I'm pretty sure I can do it. Especially if I'm just about at the $100 mark this early. So we'll go take care of this real fast. And we'll reevaluate where we're at. Maybe I'll do a little bit of Doordash here in town to put me over that $100 mark. Confirm. Then we'll get a picture of the address and confirm. Okay, so I got all those cleared up. We're going to take a quick look at Instacart. I just want to hit 100 before I'm done. That one hasn't moved. Okay, so let's check out Doordash if it'll sign me in. If not, I'll probably take that $10 order just to hit my goal. Very busy. Crap. All right. Oops. Let's see where we're at when I get into town then, or back into the delivery area. All right, we're gonna get pulled over. Well, I'm gonna pull over anyways. Very busy. $1 peak pay. Yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do it until 2 o'clock. Yes, I have enough gas, phones charged, red card, hot bag. Let's see, the hot spots right now are From the Hearth and Wendy's. So what we're gonna do, once these cars pass, I'm gonna go more into town. Probably From the Hearth. And then go from there. Alright, so right off the bat, $5.67 order. No thank you. Because without $1 peak pay, it's a $4 order. And I don't do $4 orders. So we declined that one. We're going to keep moving on. We're here to make money. And this is more like it. Burrito Bandito for 12 bucks. So we're going to take that. We're going to head over there and we're going to make some money. Hi, I'm with Doordash picking up for Robert B.
Okay, yeah, you can help up ahead and do that for you.
Thank you. Alrighty, so my second phone died. I'm going to have to go home in a little bit and charge because I don't have my regular charger in here. But I got another order for 20 bucks. Double order, but both of these places are fairly quick when it comes to picking up. So, that's a good thing. And of course, there's no parking spaces here. I'm gonna have to scare this guy behind me. Oh, calm down there. All right. Let's go grab this order. I think round one today was a success here in town. It was so exciting that my second phone died. The one I used to take video. Oops. Yeah, thanks for cutting me off. So far, I've made $72 at Instacart. I've made $24 delivering for Walmart, which was a joke, because that took me an hour and it shouldn't have taken me an hour. And then just out of the blue, DoorDash decided to be good to me today. My goal was to make $100 before I go up to Reading today. But my goodness, it was so good to me that I made another $76. And after I added everything up, I'm at $172 right now. It's crazy. My goal for today was to make 200 bucks. There's a very real possibility I can make $300 today. Now in bigger cities, obviously that's easily obtainable, but where I'm at and where I shop and where I deliver and all that, that is a monumental day. I've come close a few times to 300 bucks, but never crossed that threshold into 300 plus. Let's see, it's 3:40 right now. I'm going to give myself until 7 o'clock tonight to make another $130. If delivery is anything like it is in Red Bluff right now, this will be a piece of cake. Second phone is charging so I can take some video. I don't have to rely on my main phone for that. So that'll be good. I'm not going to get every delivery tonight when it comes to video and talking about it and stuff, but I'm going to try to get a majority of it. Plus, this video doesn't need to be 40 freaking minutes long. Although it could be. So, I'm going to put on some music, make the half-hour trek up north. Then we're going to get started and we're going to plow through it and make $130. That's the goal for up here. Well, I'm all ready to go. I'm signed in to all 3 apps. And yeah, it's jumping. I've gotten 1 order so far from Grubhub, but it wasn't worth it. So, but just looking at Instacart, when I got here, there were 8 batches available, but a couple of those were down in Red Bluff. Not doing a double for Costco. Not doing a double. Wow, these are all doubles. So technically there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 orders. My goodness. And I'm not driving... Where is that? Churn Creek? I'm going to chance it. I'm going to deny that one. That's 2 I've denied so far, and nothing on Instacart. All right, here we go. Oh, there's an offer all the way back down in Anderson. Oh, my goodness. Too far away. I'm going to deny that for now. I'm going to be super picky right now, but I'm going to keep an eye on everything. What is that one? Yeah, it goes all the way down to Anderson. I don't want to do that. And I don't want to go full-blown shopping either. All right. Wendy's. $7.75 for 3 items. Nah. Not the best, but I got to start somewhere. Plus, it's only 4 o'clock, and I'm assuming that since it's St. Patrick's Day, since everybody got their stimulus today, that it's gonna probably gonna pick up a little bit. All right, so Wendy's for $7.75. Let's go. Bad lighting. I apologize about that, but it's been busy-ish. I'm gonna turn down the radio. It's been busy-ish. I've been having a steady stream of deliveries, but they haven't been paying what I thought they would. So I just took a $35 Instacart order, 12 items at Costco. I should be able to mow through that, no problem. Although I don't know when Costco closes. I want to say 7 or 8, and it's 5:43 right now, but I guess we'll find out. This ain't looking good. Right now, what am I at? I'm at, I think, 85 for this trip. Pete's Brew House. Okay, well, I got one. $13 or $12. So it looks like I'm just gonna have to aim for $100. I'd probably call it good, because I'm not gonna have much more time to drive. We'll take this one, see where we end up. We'll just see if we can't at least hit 100. Should put me, like I said, it should put me up to $90-something. So I should be able to hit 100 no problem. Well, I gotta call it a night, unfortunately. 7:14, but I gotta get home. I got to do the fatherly thing, make dinner, yada yada yada. Came up $30 short. There were a couple of Instacart orders that were in the $30 range, But the only thing that stopped me is that one of them was, both of them rather, they were at stores I'm not familiar with, and now's not the time to try to get familiarized with a store. It's been one heck of a day. I'm definitely looking forward to calculating what I made today. I believe I made about $270, which is on the high end for me. So it's definitely something I'm not upset about. I'm really, really happy that I made that much, because the original goal for the day was $200, and the amount of money I made in Red Bluff today, that definitely put me over where I wanted to be. So I'm going to take the long drive home, get settled in, get stuff, put in my spreadsheets. I want to say thank you for coming along yet again today. I didn't get that much footage because once the order started rolling in, I really wanted to just focus on that and just try to get it delivered as fast as possible. And I did. It just, I don't want to say the quality wasn't there, but I don't think the pay was there what I thought the pay should be. Crap ton of Instacart orders though. I was blown away by that. But anyways, thanks for coming along. I'm heading home. I'm done for the day. Please like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will most likely be back next week with another vlog. And we're just gonna see what we can do. Have a fantastic night, and make sure you make that money.